Good morning.
Yep. You ready for an epic trip?
Oh yeah. You feel sick yet?
Yeah.
I'm okay.
It's a Tesla roof. That didn't work okay.
What are you doing?
Checking footage for the bicopter video.
Is it out yet?
Yeah, the product is out, but the video is not.
Let me see it.
See it.
Cool.
This is freaking amazing. So we got a layer of smoke here,
Nice.
the copter down here, and then turn on the props.
So this is slow motion, right?
It
Oh my
is.
god, that looks so cool.
It's just, it's amazing. I'm so lucky getting this. Freaking awesome.
Are you sick yet?
I forgot to take the motion sickness pill before we got on.
This is just the first flight, yeah?
It is like 1/10 as long.
What we're about to talk about is super nerdy stuff, so I hope there's enough nerds out there. But we just found out a super cool thing about our slow motion because we have the same. And
This is freaking awesome. This text file is generated every time you do a shoot on the slow motion cam. Every file gets one of these. And it tells you all the data that you want, like how many pre-trigger you have, like exactly how many frames per second, everything. And it even gives you the number of milliseconds it triggered since 1970.
yeah, which
It's
is
a
the
time-
actually
yeah,
the timestamp.
It is, but it's just funny that they even wrote that out.
Yeah.
Like it's in the file.
Are you sick yet?
No, I'm like at 1.5, so I'm doing really good. We bought some really strong motion sickness pills.
Will it work?
We'll see, I hope so.
Fancy lights. Hey, take care. Who wants a drink? Do you want to?
No, thank you.
For me, sparkling water. Yes, thank you. So let's see how long does it take for him to vomit everything he just ate.
Scale 1 to 7 is still 1.5, so we'll see.
Oh, that's not bad at
Oh,
all.
it's not bad at all.
I don't get it because it's supposed to be like afternoon. It looks like it's night there. So what we thought is actually, you see those bottom there? Those are actually, now they don't work because this is like a night flight. But I think they changed the, like there's a screen, it's like a polarized something. Why is it dark?
Oh, they need to, if you have your locked to darkness, I'll get them lit up for you, yeah.
No, I mean it was just a question, it's like...
Normally we set them to dark for sleeping. Like
okay.
Flights,
So it's actually daylight
if we're
outside.
flying at daylight and someone has woken up asleep.
Yeah. No, it's fine. I just wanted to know because I was like,
Yeah,
it should be afternoon here. That is so cool.
Check this out, it's a retractable straw. Like how funny is that?
have to buy a new one.
It's a rough life. Poor guy.
Are you sick yet?
No, actually, I'm feeling pretty good.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm doing
1 to 10?
really good. Probably a 2.
Oh wow.
That's not bad at all.
Where 10 is really bad.
7 is really bad.
Okay.
10 is not on the scale.
Mà cho anh con nhìn cả. Các bác như vậy phải có nhìn cái cổ mà thấy cái hiện mô lộn mà.
Oh, I so agree with this.
Yeah, actually, you know what? Yes.
Lúc dạ như là đến lại nè.
What is the difference between the red, what is NT taxi green and red taxi? Excuse me? Do you speak English? The difference between urban taxi and NT taxi?
Taxi English I don't know. 这个是市区，
市区。
这个是新盖。
新盖 and 新区。Okay.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah.
So if we go Harbor Plaza.
95，这个你要到那个新盖耶。
Okay.
新盖哈，95嘛。
Thank you. How you say thank you? Thank you? Thank you? Okay. Thank you. We gotta go here.
新麗邊恩路18號我嘉湖嗰日嗰度 OK。
Just a strap 8. Oh, nice. So now we're going to the hotel. How you feel?
Pretty good. Still a 2. Doing
Still a
really
2?
good. Yeah, I'm doing really
2
good.
is really good. Like you don't normally feel
No.
2
This
at
is
home.
usually a 6 at this point.
OK。
Okay.
Yeah. This way.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
OK。
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Oh wait, it's not here. Oh shit. Yeah, sorry, it's not the thing. 18.
The freaking slots we get AC.
It's our lovely thing. Still feeling good?
Yeah, still doing pretty good.
Awesome. That's so you made it.
I did make it. It feels so nice.
Good.
You even get an iPhone in your room.
Okay, this is like not the fanciest hotel for sure, but look at that. They give you a phone you can have while you're here, and you have interwebs and all kind of stuff. How cool is that? We have been here like half an hour now, and come have a look. Yo, dude, are you okay there? Okay. I'm really sorry. It's gonna be a fun night. I'll see you tomorrow.